There is so much to show you in this 6,000 plus piece clay bead bracelet making kit that I got for me and my daughter to have some fun together with. So let's get going on seeing what's in the box. First of all, look at the assortment of colors this has. The box itself is actually really nice because it's not going to pop open on you. It's got hinges on 3 sides. If you've ever worked with beads before, you definitely want a secure box. It has these lines that actually go around each and every compartment. This is a really well-made bead box because it means that the beads aren't going to slip into other compartments. They're going to stay in their place. And let's just appreciate this rainbow of beautiful colors. We've got smiley faces. We have alphabet beads. We have these, which are like filler beads. Oh, there they go. These are kind of these like little rubberized beads that are great for filling in as spacers. Okay, we'll separate those out later. Actually, I can do that right now with this handy dandy tweezers. This is a nice tweezers because it's very kid friendly. It's easy for them to squeeze. It's cute, pink. It's nice quality grade plastic. I can tell it's not going to break on me because it's nice and solid there at the end. So let's go ahead and put that back in its place. Yeah, these are great. Look at this. How fun, right? These are all nice and clean cuts. They don't look like they've got any straggling bits of rubber. You've seen that maybe with cheaper beads. Here you've got your jewelry string. This is a nice, flexible, kind of elasticy. It's a stretchy, clear thing. Makes it really easy to bead, and it also is not going to be too constricting on a kid's hand, which makes me feel like safer to use these with my young daughter. It does have a tiny little scissors that you can use to easily snip. And again, these are kid friendly. These are not excessively sharp. They do the trick. You know, they're not the world's fanciest scissors, but they definitely are going to meet your needs for making bracelets and earrings and such. Now this is really cool. Look at the amount of variety in here. You've got clay beads in here that you can see with really cute designs. There's like eyes, some flowers, more plastic beads with looks like hearts on them. And then of course we've got jewelry pieces for various kinds of earrings. We've got different types of gold beads in here. I see star gold beads, some donut shapes, some cube shapes. Just a nice variety. Look at that. You can make some hoop earrings, and there's little strawberries too. Oh, that's grapefruit. I get it. It's grapefruit. It's about like a steel. It's a really well-made kit, really compact and narrow. Look at that. Nice and thin. This is not taking excess space. Honestly, beads are so small. You need containers that are thin like this that are going to make this easy to transport in a backpack or in the car. With these bigger, bulkier cases that you see, those are really better for larger crafting items. But with beads, you can take this on the go. You could even bring this to like a restaurant. And if you have trouble keeping your kids quiet at the table, put this activity in front of them. This is a great kit. I highly recommend it.